Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another try on haul for you guys because y'all really enjoyed the first one and we really had fun making it. So this has been in the waiting for like months. So we've been trying, but we could never get together. So earlier this week we finally went and bought the pieces. The brand we'll be doing today is called I Saw It First. We got a few little pieces. We tried to do spring, but in the UK it's still really cold here, so I'm guessing like maybe it's not time for the spring looks yet. So we're just giving y'all what we could find. It was kind of difficult shopping for like the plus size and petite this time, like versus how we did the PLT haul. Like it was pretty straightforward, but we really had to do some investigating, and y'all will see what we're talking about in a second. But without further ado, I guess we just get right into the video. So this first dress we got is called the Abstract Print Jersey Racer Neck Bodycon dress in purple. It's real groovy. I'm not even gonna lie, I had watched somebody do a try on haul and they tried on this dress. Yeah. And they didn't like it. Oh. And it looked real short.
But I'm short, so I feel like it's not gonna look that short on me.
I don't care. Sometimes it's okay to show a little palm, okay? I like it so far, but it seems real thin. It's giving like rainbow material. But I already told her, because I ordered from here before, that it's kind of like rainbow to me, in my opinion. If you from the US or you know about rainbow, this kind of giving rainbow. So I don't like this. It's too short. Look at this.
I think I'd keep it, and it's not see-through.
Yeah, it's not see-through.
So
it's just too short for me. I got a 22 though. But it's cute from right here. Thumbnail, screenshot. That's cute.
That is cute. We'll get some good.
It's giving it girl.
I
don't know. What you rate this?
I rate this a 9 out of 10. I think I look good.
You do look cute. And I liked it with the hair. I'm going to rate this a 4 because no support, no type of squeezing, nothing. It's just straight down dress. It's not really giving. I don't like it, and it's not very suitable to my figure. So next. So the next dress
is called the Petite Rib Cutout Detail Mid Dress Orange,
and mine is called Rib Cutout Short Sleeve Midi Dress.
So the dress is the same, right? And this is where
barely
the website is annoying, because the dresses are basically the same, but in the petite it's a strap.
Oh, this isn't the same though, because you see this material is like more towel.
Yeah.
And this is like ribs.
It looks exactly the same though online. Like, look at the difference.
So hers is like more toweled feel, and mine is like the rib t-shirt type of feel.
Yeah.
So
I'm interested.
But this is a dress. I like this dress.
I like this dress too. It's super cute.
You like it like yours or like mine?
I like it like yours with the sleeves.
Yeah, me too.
But you know, it's okay.
I don't know, y'all, because I don't really be doing too much with the back fat.
Yeah, the back will be out.
But I don't know. I'm not ashamed. So it's all gonna be up to whether the titty is gonna fit in this little loop.
Let me see. You can wear a bra though.
Oh, it moves. It moves.
Okay, okay.
So maybe I just need to adjust it properly. I'm not wearing a bra with this. So we're gonna try this one on
and see what it's talking about. I'm kind of scared. I got it in a bigger size. I got it in a 14, I think. Yeah, I got it in a 14 instead of a 12. Because I was like, I want the boobs to fit. Like,
I should have got a bigger size too. But I'll be caring more about it being fitted than that. Because I want it to be tight.
I get that.
Okay.
But this looks fine, like, for my butt and my hips. Like, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about the boobs. All right.
Okay, we're going to see what it's giving.
I like these. I think they look good.
No, this is awful. This is absolutely no for me. I look like I'm gonna bust up out this thing.
Absolutely love this dress. Maybe after I run a few miles, but it's definitely giving.
I don't like this dress.
And it's holding up my boobs.
I like yours though.
For sure.
It looks very summery.
I like the material. Like, it's squeezing me. It's not like,
oh yeah, see, it's very like,
yeah.
Okay, I hate this dress. Look at me. I hate it. Next. 0.
I give this dress a 10 out of 10.
Cool. Next. Stuck in dress.
It's gonna take the wig off.
Oh shit. Oh nah. It's giving Mercer Bears.
Really? I thought it was supposed to be sheer.
Yeah, I don't know. It was cute when it was tied up. Maybe when we tied up.
Yeah, I think on the tie up part.
This look like a Walmart.
But this
button
is
up. Like, it's not
springy. Like you're not supposed to wear it like as what you're supposed to wear.
But it look like a work shirt. It's not giving sexy vibes like the material and the color.
I thought it was supposed to be sheer.
This look like a work shirt.
We'll see what it looks like when it's on. All right, guys. These are the black high-waisted coated skinny jeans. And both of us, did you order in a size up?
No.
Oh, I ordered in a size up. They're a little stretchy.
No, mine are really stretchy. Look at this.
But
oh, these is going on with this booty.
They're kind of a sheer texture. I like them. It's not like
I like this because it's like jean stretch, but it's still giving leather.
Oh yeah, it's definitely stretching.
Yeah, so I hope they still fit. But my nails hurt, so I don't even know if I got the energy to pull these up.
No, because you might break it.
So
yeah, we're gonna try these on.
See what he's talking about. So lastly, we got a blazer, which I don't even need no more, honestly, because the bodysuit I was
Your blazer looks way better than mine.
You think so? Oh, let me tell y'all. So we ended up having to get 2 different blazers. Oh yeah, yours look like a stretchy one.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a blazer.
Yeah, like a business one.
No, like I mean,
like a church blazer.
I don't really know.
Cardigan type.
Yeah, it's not giving what I thought it was gonna give.
Oh, that's kind of cute. I feel like that would be one of those cute shirts without a bra underneath.
I just need to see what it looks like on.
Yeah.
It's not really giving for me right now.
Just a plain black blazer. I think mine might be double-breasted. I can't remember.
I think that's gonna look good on you though.
Yeah, it's a double-breasted oversized, and I got it a size up. So this is a 24.
Mine is a petite oversized long line blazer, size 14.
So they didn't have matching blazers in our sizes when we ordered, so we just got something that was similar, but as you can see, like, it's really not similar because the material even is different. So we're gonna see what it's giving though.
They won't come up.
My nails started hurting.
That it?
That's a wrap.
You didn't pull it up from the bottom.
That's a wrap. Yeah, you gotta shimmy. So it's a 0 for me.
All right, so the pants, I like them. They make me look good.
I like those.
This shirt, 7 out of 10, and the pants, a 10 out of 10.
For me, I'm gonna give the shirt a 3 because it looks cheap and the pants are awful, so they get.
You could work that shirt.
I'm looking at it like it could be cute, but then like
you just had to wear it with not those pants.
Yeah.
And maybe not a pink wig.
Yeah, literally not a pink wig, but.
But this is a statement top. Like you could really do this with like some like blue jeans with like rips all on down or something. If I should with some sneakers, like the sneakers you had on today, but that shirt tied up would look cute with that. You don't think?
I'm over this haul. So we got one last piece to show y'all. And then that's gonna be it. I'm sorry this hasn't been so entertaining, like, because I literally wear a 20, like, and that's pushing it. I really wear 18, so nothing has fit.
But everything I ordered a size up as well.
Yeah, I should have ordered a size up in the pants.
I had a feeling that.
But they said they were stretchy and they had elastane on the material. Elastane is really stretchy.
Yeah, this is kind of stretchy.
They are really stretchy, but they're just too short. I feel like if they was actually true high waist, they would have went up over my ass.
Yeah, they would have.
Sorry guys, but we can show y'all the blazer. I have a thing as a big person, like I don't like to order a size up because that's kind of like tricking your mind, you know, because you just keep getting bigger clothes. Like you really like. I like you know it. So tell me who I look like. Like a manager at the burger restaurant.
Oh, what's the on the mic? Is a queen. So
listen to me sing. Do do do. Hit my Mario.
A blazer. I feel like it's too pajama feel.
This is cheap. No shade to I saw it first. You know, it might just be a sizing issue, but in general, for me, I'm not feeling it. Like
overall, I think the haul was not successful for finding plus size and petite. So sizes.
Like together.
Honestly, the search for these clothes was really difficult because we didn't want to do Pretty Little Thing again, but every other site that we looked at, it was hard to find both of our sizes. Like, they make it really hard to find the same outfit in the different sizes on the websites. So that took us a while. Like, you can't do it by yourself. It's a lot of hard work to do
Yeah, no, it took us a while. Like, and this was us rushing. That's why we didn't really find nothing that was so cute, because this was us on their website for like 3 hours.
And we didn't want to do multiple different websites. We wanted to find outfits from these same companies to test like how exclusive, or you know,
does everything line up,
how inclusive their lines are. So we obviously, you can tell they are not. I personally love most of my items, but that's because I'm small. Like, I'm a small person. The only thing I have to worry about is usually the length of the products. But now that I've gotten petite, like, it's pretty easy for me to shop, but it should be easy for everyone to shop.
Yeah, sorry guys, this wasn't a great haul. Well, the intention was there, the looks was there, it was just a fit. So, and
things usually always look good on the models. We just have to be realistic. It's not gonna look the same on you. So I personally would recommend getting it in a bigger size, so that way you can get it shaped to you instead of it being too small. Yeah, honestly.
And that's really where I went wrong this time, because I know last time I sized up, but that's because I really shopped with Pretty Little Thing a lot. So I feel like with this one,
this one, not even just one size. It seems like you'd have to go
multiple sizes because I think I did go up a size and it still didn't fit.
That's just that on that.
Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this haul. We're gonna do another one real soon with actual springtime looks. This was just a little tester. So maybe next we'll do Shein, because we need a little time in order to get the clothes to us. So hopefully, like, soon we can do a Shein haul for the springtime, because y'all know Shein, the girlies be having the looks coming through on there, a lot of different options. But that website was intimidating too, because it's just so much stuff on their website. So okay guys, this is gonna be the end of the haul. I'm so sorry that it turned out to be such a shit show, but yeah, this is the reality of the sizing and shopping as a plus size person. But I'm not disappointed. Like, I think the last haul went really well, so I wasn't really expecting this one to go so smooth. Like, it's really hit or miss. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. I hope this was informative. Make sure you subscribe to both of our channels. Make sure you subscribe to both of our channels at I Am Marie, and check out her new house tour. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment. Let us know what y'all thought. Let us know if the looks wasn't really even given. Like, maybe y'all want to see a different brand, maybe y'all want to see a different type of vibe. I don't know. But anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one, and bye.